Root rot is a common problem in jade plants and it can be caused by overwatering, poor drainage, or a combination of both. If you suspect that your jade plant has root rot, it is important to take action to immediately save the plant. Here is a step by step guide on how to fix root rot in a jade plant. Number 1. Gently remove the plant from its pot and inspect the roots. If the roots are black, mushy, or have a foul odor, they have rotted and need to be removed. Number 2. Use a sharp knife or shears to trim away rotted roots. Be sure to make clean cuts. Number 3. Choose a pot with drainage holes and a well drained potting mix. Be careful not to overwater the plant when you repot it. Number 4. Apply the sponge aside to the plant to help prevent the spread of root rot. Number 5. Jade plants need bright indirect sunlight to thrive. Avoid placing in direct sunlight as this can scorch the leaves. Number 6. Jade plants are drought tolerant and do not need to be watered often. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. If you follow these tips, you can help prevent root rot and keep your jade plant healthy and thriving. For more such tips, subscribe to the channel.